Hi, my name is Sai Poorna. I'm an angel investor, entrepreneur, and an early adopter of cryptocurrencies, co-founder of Bitcoin Cafe, which is now rebranded as Meta V Cafe. Please join my podcast where I'll discuss about Bitcoin and investment into various cryptocurrencies. My success mantra is learn, unlearn and relearn. कुछ बातों का मतलब कुछ मतलब की बातें क्या मतलब.
Today's episode is why should we invest in Bitcoin? Before I proceed, I would like to read out a quote which I have written long time back. Stop following the conventional wisdom, stop following the crowd, stop using wrong formula if you really want to understand Bitcoin. So let's start. Point number 1. It's a new technology and gradually taking shape and adoption across the globe. Point 2. There are over 300 million users. This equates to 3.9% of global population. We are still very early compared to billions and billions of people who have not heard about Bitcoin or don't understand it well. Point number 3. The crypto market is still at a very, very early adoption stage as internet was in 1990s. Point number 4. It is expected that crypto adoption will hit 1 billion by 2024 and 5 billion by 2030, which means we are investing in a digital asset of which the market share is very small and the market size is very big. Remember. So kudos to all those who are listening to my podcast and trying to understand Bitcoin. Point number 5. Some big corporate companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, Grayscale have invested in Bitcoin and are holding Bitcoins in their balance sheet. Point number 6. Bitcoin has successfully covered its journey of 15 years wherein it came out of all kinds of attacks and the network is still safe. The blockchain of Bitcoin is so far the most decentralized and as well as hack-proof. It never got hacked. It's the exchanges or wallets that got hacked. So when investing in Bitcoin, you also have to learn how to store it safely. Point number 7. We are going through a financial crisis and this is the best time to enter when the prices are low from its all-time high. When in recession, you can buy your investments at a discounted price and this is the best time to educate yourself. Point number 8. It's the only asset which is deflationary in true sense. With time, supply will reduce in spite of demand going high. Point number 9. Countries have started adopting Bitcoins and governments are trying to create a framework to regulate cryptocurrencies. So point number 10. I came across a very interesting calculation about Bitcoin. So there are only 18.8 million Bitcoins in supply as of now, out of which around 16% of the Bitcoin is lost because of the users have lost their private keys or hardware wallets. 6% of the Bitcoin supply, which is 1.125 million Bitcoins, is not yet touched since it started. So currently available Bitcoin is only 14 million. 60% of these 14 million Bitcoins is with long-term holders who do not want to sell. In crypto language, we call them as hodlers. So 4.9 million Bitcoins are available for 8 billion people on this earth. So which calculates to 0.00062 Bitcoin per person. So grab your Bitcoin before it's too late. This is not a financial advice. All these data that I am mentioning on my podcast are for your knowledge only. I would like to give you a task. Visit this website called economicprinciples.org. This is by a very well-known macroeconomist, Mr. Ray Dalio. There is a half an hour video on this website which explains how does the current economy works, and it's very interesting. Do watch it and educate yourself. I repeat, economicprinciples.org. Also, I would like to recommend a YouTube series of YouTube videos, episodes, which is Money versus Currency, Hidden Secrets of Money by Mike Maloney. So, guys, watch this, educate yourself, and I'll come back soon.